Alright, in today's video we are taking a look at places for rent between $2,500 to $3,000. Now, not everyone may be able to afford this price range by themselves, but it might be able to work with some roommates. So our first space is $3,000 per month and it's 2-bed, 2-bath. So far, this first picture right here looks very stunning and promising as well. Alright, so here's our kitchen with some nice counter space. Looks like it also leads into the living area. Alright, so here's a different angle. Very nice. Very, very nice. Quite large space with two separate windows right beside each other. Alright, so this looks like the first or one of the bedrooms with a nice closet. Alright. And this is the second or other bedroom as well. Very nice. And the washroom, nice and clean, black and white. Ooh. Comment below, would you share an apartment with a roommate? If you didn't want to, would you still share with a roommate? Comment below. Very nice over here too that you get some laundry in unit laundry. That's always nice. So nice we get a better view of how everything is. Very nice. All right, and we have our last picture here. This is a great space. For $3,000, if you were to get two people, that would be $1,500 each. Would you do it, or would you go by yourself, or would you get a third person to probably be on the couch or something? That would make things a bit cheaper. Alright, so here we have another one that was posted only an hour ago. This is $27.50 a month, 2-bed, 1-bath. It looks like there's no light in here, kind of dark, but it looks like a really long space. That's cool. Alright, so we got your kitchen. Very, very nice. Might be the camera angles too, but we would say it's really, really nice. Okay, so that's one of the rooms, and this is the bathroom. And then another angle. So this would be the outdoors. Ooh, great. Great getting the surrounding areas. That's always important too. Very nice, but we don't want majority of it to be the outside. Okay. Nice. Alright, so, oh, and we have the layout. Oh, very nice. Alright, this space here is $25.50. It was also recently posted. This is a studio space and 1 bathroom. So this looks like a large, nice space. Love the brick walls. Very industrial and homey. Very nice. All right, so here you have like some, I guess you can, divide it the way you would prefer. And if you had a studio space, would you get a roommate as well? Comment below. And for this space, do you think it is a good price, or is it like competitive with everything else? Comment below. All right, and this is your kitchen area. Very nice. Did we miss the bathroom already? Let's check that really quick. So we have a door here and a door here. So this might be the bathroom, and this would be the main door. There's one more door. That could be the bathroom as well. This one right here. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. $2,500 a month. Comment below if you prefer places like this where you may have to share with other roommates, or if you prefer getting a place by yourself. I know sometimes you first start off with roommates and then you get the opportunity when you have enough money to move out by yourself, but it is really preference and wherever you kind of want to live and how everything starts off. So comment below your experience or where you would want to live in this situation. All right, see you in the next video.